Alan, I'd like to invite up to the stage Mr. Alan Chan. Alan is with Fujifilm Business Innovation here in Hong Kong and has been working with our team over the last couple months on a use case on Spartan. Alan, welcome.
Yeah, thank you, team. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Alan from Fujifilm Business Innovation. Before I share my project, I would like to express my sincere thanks to BSN Network indeed. We have been exploring the application of blockchain in B2B segment. However, two critical challenges which avoid us to move forward, which Tim also mentioned. One is cryptocurrency, which is very difficult for us to move forward our business project. The second is the gas fee. So these two are already resolved. Then we are very happy to join the BSN network. And today I'm going to share what are our POC with all of you. Okay, let me introduce a little bit about our company background, Fujifilm Business Innovation. Formerly, we call Fuji Xerox. We have more than 1,000 employees in Hong Kong. We are part of the Fujifilm Holding Corporation Group. And our corporate mission is to solve critical and practical business issues in the social challenges. And one of our digital transformation vision is to help customers to create fulfilling workplace through cutting-edge technologies. Therefore, we try to explore more how blockchain can help us and our customers. Okay, before I move to my project, I would like to share with you about the company investment in blockchain in all these years. You can see that in 2021 alone, the investment goes up to 19,000 million US dollar. Guess what? In 2022, just 9 months, it goes up 3 times more, up to 6 billion USD. This is why I think we are here to explore how can we grasp the big wave and earn more money for our organization. Okay, let me share a little bit more about my project. Basically, we would like to solve two business challenge or issues in our project. One is to tackle the authenticity challenges on contract in B2B area. We would like to lower the business transaction costs to prove the validity and governance of our project. So therefore, our project is to tokenize digital signed document, for example, contract on blockchain to enhance the document security, transparency, and traceability. So this is an example of our project. Let's say if we have a contract with our end customer with Fujifilm, we have we adopt government I'm Smart Plus to do the signature. And after we have adopt the digital signature services, before the BSN, we probably will store it somewhere. But now we can tokenize our document contract under the BSN network. So the protocol that we are using is ERC1155. Which we try to use it to mean not NFT, but SFT, which is a semi-fungible token. I will share a little bit more. So with this SFT, we can share between Fujifilm Business Innovation and our customers. So let me share a little bit the protocol, the standard behind 1155 and why we are adopting this. I think most of you have are familiar with 721, which are widely adopted in NFT. But we choose 1155 because of several reasons. One is it can mean semi-fungible tokens. Means we can have 2 or 3 or more identical fungible token, which is particularly good for contract in a sense. And the other benefits is it has a safe transfer functions which enable verification of transaction validity. In NFT protocol, basically it is impossible to revert the transaction. But ERC1155, we can reserve the transaction in a sense. Last is the token transfer. 1155 can support batch transfer, so which also can facilitate our SFT project. So here I try to leverage the WeForum's blockchain value framework overview to demonstrate the two stages of our project. The first stage, we want to adopt the capability of blockchain on full traceability, security, as well as evidence tampering as a proof of existence of our tokenized contract. And then in next stage, at this stage, we didn't adopt any smart contract automation, but in next stage, we would like to leverage the automation capabilities to enable some auto execution of business rules in the smart contract. And in the control and enhanced identities area, we would like to use DID in our second stage so that we can kind of decentralize the identifier so that all our parties could enjoy next level of security. I also need to thank BSN. They help us to connect with our HSBC payment unit. We met each other and we would like to explore whether we can join together to move forward our project in next stage. This is just an analogy and the concept in our mind. Let's say if we don't only means 2 SFT, instead we mean 12 SFT, which you can represent it as a 12 installment of payment. Then after we means the contract, we may trigger some integration with HSBC payment instruction, and then we can auto execute the contract for payment, and then all the payment, all the notification, and all the record will be recorded under the blockchain. I think it would be even save a lot of our admin resources. At the same time, it can also have a very concrete proof of concept to our contract. So this is basically our project. Many people may ask why FUJIFILM Business Innovation would be interested to explore about the blockchain. Very honestly, I still find there is a lot of challenge to widely adopt blockchain in B2B world. But I have a strong belief, which Ivan also mentioned, maybe because of crazy. But honestly, I believe that a lot of challenge could be resolved gradually within 3 to 5 years. Therefore, I think it is time for us to look at blockchain for strategic innovations. And the other reason behind is FUJIFILM, our DNA is value for innovations. We look beyond established business boundaries. We want to recognize the possibility and limitation of various types of blockchain solutions in this project so that we could identify right area for investment. Last but not least, I think I would like to share our approach on blockchain. Probably we are not a all or nothing approach. We are not absolutely saying that blockchain would be a great future or an absolute note, but we carefully move ahead a baby step to map our progressive path of usage along the blockchain spectrum. So finally, I find Web 2 to Web 3 is still a long journey to go, but with everybody here, with the BSN support, we really can connect with different innovative partners. I think join together, we can have a lot of new ideas and build a strong ecosystem here together. Thank you. This is my sharing.